What's up, y'all? It is El Pollito, and today we got some stuff from the Asian market, and we're gonna be trying them and see how they taste.
Yeah, so we got. I was here in the last video. He's new.
Oh yeah, it's Jada and Jaden.
Yeah, so. Alright, so first.
We're gonna try the monchis.
Joe, you ugly. Alright, we
got mint chocolate chip monchis.
And some green tea.
We got some green tea monchis.
Alright, here's y'all's plate. No, I don't want this one. Give me this one. Give me this one. Here we go. Okay. Alright, which one? Y'all want to try all of them? We're trying all of them.
No, just get like a couple.
I know that. We're trying all of them. Like, we all are trying both of them, right?
Jaden, open it like that.
Each one? Everybody gets one? Yes.
I'm gonna crease today.
You ugly. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna be rating everything we try 1 out of 10. And we have.
I'm gonna try the green tea one first.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
But are you sure, like, put that on my stomach it?
I like it.
It's not it.
Put it on the plate.
That is not it. I'm sorry, guys.
Wait.
You ready?
That's disgusting.
Shush. Okay, we're gonna try the mint one.
Mint chocolate chip.
Ready? Go.
Okay. I haven't tasted it yet. So munching on the green tea one.
Guys, this is it. Just like the rice thing, I do not like. It's nasty.
That is good. You like it?
You want to be in the video? No? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. The rice part?
I don't know. It's like it breaks, right?
Yeah, it's gross and it's dry. I don't like it.
I don't know.
The outside of it?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll say maybe.
Disgust. Alright.
I'm gonna rate it like a 5 or
these are
6 out of
disgusting.
10.
What, the green tea?
The green tea one?
The green tea was like a 3. Okay, so I rated it a 2 because I didn't like it.
I rate this one like a 5 and this one like a 6. The green tea a 5 and the mint chocolate chip a 6.
So I rate the green tea. What did I say, 2? And then the chocolate chip, it was a 7.5 because the outside it was not it. Really. Let me tell you, it was not it.
Okay.
It was not it.
Okay, let's put them to the side.
Okay, put it to the side. Now we're gonna try the Pocky. We have some Pocky here.
We got some chocolate banana ones. And we got some chocolate ones.
No. Alright, so I'm gonna try the Pocky. I never tried these.
I haven't tried these either.
I don't think we never tried these.
Oh, I think I opened it the wrong way. Maybe not. Whatever. What you want to try first, the banana or the chocolate?
I'm gonna try the chocolate first. The original. They smell good. Or whatever.
I can't even open it.
That's how I did it with my teeth. Jordan. I'll try this one first. Ready to go. Orange. Wait. I'm trying to get it open. I can't get it open. Wait.
Here, I got you. Look, it's right there, already there.
Alright, got it.
Just pull it.
Sure. Let's try these first. Let's try this first.
The chocolate one?
The chocolate one first. Ready? Chocolate one first. This side. Ready? Set, go. This is not what I expected.
Is it dark or milk?
That is dark. Chocolate.
You don't say.
I mean, sorry.
It tastes like dark.
It tastes like dark, right?
Okay, so let's rate these.
I rate it a 7.
I give it a 5.
I rate it
A 5.
Yeah.
5.
All right, let's try the banana
chocolate one. Chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana.
This one's good.
Mm.
I like it.
Yeah. What's your rate?
9 out of 10.
8.
8, yeah. 8.5 actually. So what do y'all want to try next?
Huh? Drink?
Drink?
Mouth is dry.
So, I got some morning rice. Supposed to be like rice drink. Then he got some watermelon drink. And then he got a coconut drink.
And then I got this coconut, banana drink. I don't know, I'm scared. I don't like this.
I think it's gonna taste like chocolate.
Y'all not all try this one? It's good.
Alright, do you want to do it?
Yeah, we'll do that one
Yeah.
next.
Oh. Guys, I can't. Help me, Jordan.
That's not how I expected it to be.
Okay, I'm gonna, if it's open, because I don't know, I'm scared. Alright.
How's it?
No.
It's nasty?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
No.
Let me try yours.
Man, that's good. You don't like it?
That's horrible.
That was disgusting. No.
Y'all try this? This is good.
I'm gonna try this.
I don't know what this tastes like. Like, try it.
It's like butter. It's like,
Did you get some? What it taste like? It don't taste like rice, right? I don't know what
this right here is so far the best I have tasted. It's good.
Sure.
Ah. Ugh.
That's good.
Let me see.
That's real good. Looks good, right?
There's little seeds, right?
I like how it looks. It looks like little bugs.
No.
Alright, let's try
Alright, so.
one time?
Hold on. So first,
Oh, yeah, we gotta rate
how
them.
much did y'all rate this one?
I give that one a 7.
7. Yeah,
I
an 8.
give this one a 10.
I
give
give
it
that
an
one a
8.
7.
I give this one a 4
I give that one a
because I don't know
0.
what it tastes like. I can't figure out.
I give that one a 3.
Oh, yeah, I didn't try this one.
You try this one? I'm gonna try it. Take a big sip.
It's good, right?
Oh!
It's horrible.
What the crap? Okay, I give this one a 2.
Y'all wrong for that. Okay, now we're gonna try this red bean bread. I don't know about this one. I don't know about red bean and bread. I don't know. Y'all wanna break inside? You wanna break it?
Yeah. I want to see. Oh, what the freak?
What is that green stuff?
I don't know.
Oh.
Get this small piece.
Okay, yeah.
Here we go. All ready?
Look how it looks inside.
I'm smelling it.
It smells good.
It looks like meat.
So let's see. Do you see that green stuff right there?
What is that, seaweed? All
right, Aaron, we ready?
Wait, what is it? What is it? called?
Red bean
Red
bread,
bean.
something like that.
Okay,
I
ready?
don't know.
3,
2, 1.
Pretty good.
I don't know what it tastes like.
That's good though.
No, I cannot. I don't like bread.
It's pretty good. What do you give it? Oh,
I'm 7.
me too.
I'm freaking. two. No, Moo, I'm not playing with you. A two.
A
That
two?
was gross. That was
Oh,
gross.
good.
That was good. Oh, you want sunflower seeds? It's nasty.
Okay, on there.
All right, you
Let's
want
do the
to
ice cream.
do the chips? The
Oh.
chips good thing.
Ice cream.
We're gonna try these. They said like they're like ice cream, but they're not frozen. I don't know what it
They're
is.
dry?
Yeah, I don't know what it says. Okay, they're fun. Okay, so let's look at.
I'm trying to get this taste down. I don't know what it tastes like. It kind of tastes like coffee.
Okay, so all the flavors we have is strawberry. I'm guessing
Vanilla.
vanilla
Vanilla.
and chocolate.
Chocolate.
So
What is this one?
vanilla.
I want some strawberry.
Guys, we can try all of them. Get you all of them.
I'm gonna throw it. Throw it to him.
All right.
I'm gonna try the strawberry first.
I'm just everybody
Okay,
try
try
it.
strawberry.
So
So here's what it looks like.
it
It smells good.
I think this is gonna be a good one.
Yeah, I think so
That'll be
too.
a good one. Ready?
I look like a unicorn.
1, 2, 3. Mmm.
That's good.
Mhm.
That's real good, right? Is that chocolate? Is that chocolate I see? Look. Yeah. That's big good.
I get this one.
Remember the cookie thing? That strawberry
Yeah.
one? Yeah. Tastes like
Mm-hmm.
That
You want
was
to
good.
finish? Okay. I want to try. Which one I want to try next? The vanilla or the chocolate?
Chocolate. That was good.
That was really good.
I give this one a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, same.
that's the best thing so far. Best one. I mean, this one was kind of good.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Oh, I might do that much.
I know. So this is how it's looking.
Poop on the stick.
Alright. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I hate it.
I like it. I'm good, right?
I don't like chocolate. Disgusting.
It's kind of too sweet, right?
I don't
Little
taste like
bit.
chocolate. I give this one a
I give
7.
it. Yeah, I was about to
7.
say 7.
A 7. Next is the vanilla.
Can I have this? Thank you.
Where's my coconut drink? Where's my coconut drink, Mom? It's the best thing in the world.
I give this one a 7. Alright,
We're gonna try the vanilla one now, dude.
vanilla.
Oh, some more stuff is in here.
I'm
Let's get the
good.
strawberry one for later.
Alright, bet. I ate all my strawberry ones.
Oh, that's fun. Ready?
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Let's go.
Okay.
What?
That's good. I like it.
What? Huh.
You don't like it? You like it?
I don't like vanilla like that.
It's kind of good, kind of bad. I'll give it a 5.
I give it an 8.
I give it a 4.
What?
A 4, yeah. It was gross.
Are you ready for chips?
Yeah.
What chip y'all want to try first? Those or those?
Let's try the big bag first.
So these are some seaweed and salt potato chips. I don't know
It says
about
booty
these.
hole with them.
Wow. Oh no, sis. They look like
It's like
sour cream and onion.
Yes, that's what it tastes like that. I swear to God.
Ready? This is how it's looking.
Okay, we're
Okay.
You're dumb.
Dumb. Ugh,
That's good. You don't like it?
that. Oh, y'all taste the aftertaste?
No.
The aftertaste. The seaweed. Keep eating it. Watch. It's disgusting.
I can't eat a lot of stuff.
I give these a 7.5. That was a.
I give these a 9.
I give it a 3. Alright, then we got some hot chill.
Chili.
Chili, some Prikamuka.
He said hot chill.
Alright, let's do this.
This one.
Hot chill.
That's a chili.
Oh. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
I don't know.
They're kind of good. They're not even hot.
Okay, right?
I give these a 6.
They're not hot though.
A 6.
Well, I don't know.
I give these a 6.
I give it a 8. They're pretty good, right? You don't like them?
Alright, guys.
What's next? Let's see.
Okay, so you already know we have to come with a spicy
Noodle soup.
Where's the wrapper at?
Wrapper?
Here.
Oh yeah, it's this pack. Supposedly it's really hot. I've seen a lot of people do it on YouTube. They can't even eat the whole bowl without drinking milk. So we got some milk. We got chopsticks.
Got some chopsticks.
So let's dig in, you heard?
You ugly Jordan. Alright.
Okay, so I don't even know how to use chopsticks, but
Alright. Oh,
well.
it's hot, but it's good. Alright, guys, I'm scared.
Oh no.
Okay, ready? Ready? I'm not ready for this one. I'm gonna take a little bit back because I'm scared. I'm kind of scared. Okay. Ready?
Go.
It's
hot.
very, very hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
That's cool. I'm gonna eat it with a
Ready,
fork.
Jen?
I can't take it with a chopstick too hard.
Ready?
Ready, hold on.
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
I.
Look at that. Look at that bad boy right here. Oh, I need some more of this. This is good.
Want some bread? It's hot.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get heartburn.
I'm just gonna take one more bite. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing here.
So, it's
That's-
hot. It's really hot, but
That's
it's,
an 8 out of 10 for me.
that's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10.
It's just hot. Milk, please. Milk.
The reason why I give it an 8 out of 10 because like you can't really enjoy it, I guess.
Yeah, because it's so hot. But
That's it, guys. So,
that was it. I had a good time.
I had a
It was
good time
good.
too. We tried to save the soup for last because we didn't want it to waste all the other flavors that we're gonna taste after it. because it was gonna be too hot.
Yeah. So, thank you for watching.
Subscribe and like and
Oh yeah,
comment what you think.
Bagaloo 07. Yeah.
Are you ugly, dog?
We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.